Welcome to the Pulse Field Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about 20 PowerPoint tips that will help you make better PowerPoint presentations. Are you facing the task of giving a presentation but unsure where to start? If so, you're in the right place. Presenting can feel overwhelming. You need to engage, inform, and maintain attention. The fear of losing your audience is very real, and that's why you're here. Let's dive into some expert tips that will transform your presentation into a captivating experience. First off, keep simplicity in mind. Minimalism is a guiding principle. The art lies in finding the perfect balance between visuals and information. You don't want to overwhelm your audience. To emphasize critical points, don't hesitate to use all caps. This technique is ideal for headlines, titles, and those essential takeaways. When considering transitions between slides, consistency is key. Opt for horizontal transitions. They ensure a smooth and natural flow. Color plays a vital role. Let's delve into several color-related tips. Consider experimenting with a black and white base, adding a single pop of color for focus. The concept of a monochrome palette involves using different tones of a single color. By using paler shades for backgrounds and stronger colors for icons and text, you create a striking visual contrast. Circles hold symbolic significance as they represent wholeness and unity. You can employ circles as design elements or use them to frame and highlight specific areas of your photos. GIFs are more versatile than you might think. Let's explore their potential. They inject creativity, humor, and even educational value into your presentation. Sometimes, a relevant quote can serve as a welcome break from information overload. Think of it as a commercial break in the midst of your presentation. Exploring the realm of elegance, consider the power of black and white. Whether using black and white photos or desaturating colored ones, you can achieve a classic, vintage vibe. The addition of audio can elevate your presentation into an immersive experience. Audio can be seamlessly integrated with individual slides, allowing you to provide further explanations. Engaging your audience is crucial, and music is an effective tool to achieve this. Choose music that complements your content without overwhelming it. To streamline the organization of information, consider color blocks. This technique directs your audience's focus while also enhancing the visual appeal. Integrating humor through memes can be a powerful strategy, but it must be done right. When used naturally and fittingly, memes can bring a fresh dimension to your presentation. To simplify complex processes or historical timelines, employ visual timelines. This technique helps your audience grasp the progression of events more easily. The art of data visualization is about making complex information visually appealing. Transforming numbers and percentages into charts and graphics aids in comprehension. Leverage the power of color contrast to highlight essential information. By using contrasting colors effectively, you guide your audience's attention where it matters most. Bright colors can resonate with your personality and message. However, it's advisable to limit your palette to maintain cohesiveness. Consistency is key to brand recognition and message alignment. Keep your colors, fonts, and themes in harmony with your established brand identity. As we conclude, remember that our video only scratches the surface of presentation tips. For many more super informative videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.